Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making tea cakes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1 cup of butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your eggs and butter are at room temperature. To a stand mixer, add your sugar and butter. Using the whisk attachment and using medium speed, mix until well combined. Now add your eggs one at a time. Change to your paddle attachment, then add the baking powder and slowly incorporate your flour. Now add the nutmeg, almond extract, and vanilla extract, and continue to mix until well incorporated. Flour a clean surface, then roll out your dough. Using a cookie cutter or glass, cut your tea cakes. Place them on a cookie sheet, then transfer to the preheated oven and allow them to cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove them from the oven and allow your cakes to sit for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your tea cakes are ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp